Summary of power properties. Let's briefly review the power properties studied in the previous videos. Definition of a power. A power is composed of a base and an exponent. The exponent tells us how many times the base is multiplied by itself. The power of any number to 1 is that number. The product of powers with the same base is computed by giving the same base and adding the exponents. The quotient or division of powers with the same base is determined by giving the same base and subtracting the exponents. The power of a power is calculated by multiplying both the exponents. The power of a product is given by powering each term of the product to the respective exponent. In the power of a quotient, both the numerator and denominator are powered to the exponent. Powers with negative exponents can be transformed into powers with positive exponents, and vice versa. Any number other than 0 powered to 0 will always be 1. Finally, regarding the relationship between powers and roots, we know that roots can be transformed into powers with fractional exponents.